I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.
No, people. No, it's a grizzly bear here. Right now, it come like me have to start the music too. And do some music video and them thing there. No, I'm not go around. Demarco. What do you mean a position like that too, you know, with two girls? I mean, comfortable charge. I'm not go around. Well comfortable. It come like you have some plants and they plant some flowers around the plant them and then the flowers them start bloom and just get the thing pretty. You see me? So people, you need to check out that one day. Yeah, if you want to see that video there, Zojak Worldwide Official Channel. You can check out that, you know what I mean, to see that video there, because Demarco, they go hard. Anything you want, I go buy a Ferrari for you. So it come like him buy the Ferrari VR, the latest designer, bobo. You know what I mean? The wall, yeah, that be in the charge, I get the thing, you know what I mean? Because right now, if you look on the video, people, you need to check it out. Alright, that trick them me see, you know? Some Bonnie and Clyde type of lifestyle, because she just go take back the whole line of money and can't go give general. Really hard, man. The storyline look nice. Got a comfortable lifestyle, you know what I mean? Me and my bed I go and sleep, I don't know, baby out there go and dig the road. You know what I mean? I never said dig the road certain way, you know, but she take back some things that some boy take away from her in her life and then she find a real king or find a real man where she can invest her thing in and invest her time in and build up the empire and them thing there, you know what I mean? So, if a girl a deal with them way, you know, go comfortable. Come on people, talk to me now. Talk to me. You sleep late in your bed when you wake up, money up, you can go buy clothes, shoes, everything. But now say, you depend on a woman in her, just lie down like a big lazy man in her, nah, do nothing, you know. But prior to want to go through, she deal with the thing upon a level where you just feel comfortable. You know what I mean? Life just comfortable and alright. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's all good. Then, the video, real gangster something. Real yard man, yard brand, in the slum, in the Bronx, in the trap house. Yeah. That type of vibration, because the money have to make the bills, have to pay food, have to eat, the youth them have to get take care of. The warrior show a conviction to the energy. And then music, yeah, the marker, yeah, do the music. Yeah, yeah, do it. You know what I mean? Brand Jamaica art, I like that something there. When time the artists them within Jamaica put the thing on a certain level, put it on a certain scale, not caring when a body have to say, and business when a body want to say about them, just put out them thing and just do it to the best of them ability. But comfortable, yeah, enough of them girl that think comfortable. Some girl think that comfortable, come like when you in one bus and it pack and uncomfortable every minute you have to move, and you understand? No comfort, no glide and slide and them type of energy there. So, if you not agree with me, let me know. Because I know it's enough girl out there in the love course, you know. So if you not have the comfortable thing, and the thing comfortable, talk to the beer, man. The beer know what I go on. Could I give all you a review too? You know what I mean? Could I give all a big up and a shout out. Say, boy, people, this girl, one of the girls in Jamaica have the comfortable. You see me, I say that one I can sing about, you can't find the girl that will be comfortable. You need that comfort zone there, you know what I mean? And comfort to make you comfort. So see what I say, people, so you don't know it's a grizzly beer vibes, beer fun, beer things. Someone tell left on a comment, when you cuss me if you know, I know nothing. I can't manage it, you see me? I'm ready for cussing you too. So Demarco, one up again, yeah, brother, big up, do it.
It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Facts, Beer Vybz TV, and I'm out.
I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.